Still not sure about live, so I'll just throw this video up there. I just wanted to say that Kaelin's last video about picking a path and the rest will just come hit so close to home. I was thinking after my workout this morning while I was showering that when I started LadyBoss, it was food. I didn't have a problem with the food, it was the workouts. I started with the food, I stayed consistent with the food, I started with the workouts. The workouts made me want to stay even more consistent with the food. Staying 100% on LadyBoss meal plan made me want to hit my workouts harder. After that, I'd say that I started taking better care of my skin. I started doing more face masks and detox baths, and I started taking better care of myself. After that, and I subconsciously did this. This was not consciously like, okay, now what's next that I want to improve? It was just like I was subconsciously wanting to keep improving. And then next I started taking better care of my house. My laundry's all done all the time. My dishes, meal prepping, I just want to keep my dishes clean so that whenever I need to make something, I'm ready to make something. Next would be I spend more quality time with my kids. I have more energy. I spent time with them before, but it was just laying around. Now we're playing games. One thing comes after another. Don't ever get overwhelmed. Everybody who is new, just seriously, Kaelin's advice every single time just gets you to the next level. I mean, she has kept it off for, I'm sure it's almost 7 years now. I know it's 6 years. She's got it. Just keep going, the next thing. Time passes anyways. Before you know it, a month, 2 months, 6 months, a year. I'm at 4 months. Pretty soon I'm going to be at 6 months. And the time flew by. Every day is hard, but you just do it because this is what you want. Lady bosses don't always get what we want. We don't. But our end result is what we want. So I just wanted to say that. I was thinking about it. I hope that somebody can take it and run with it. I love you ladies. I could not do this without you.